We really do think about the student from the very beginning to when they're leaving STAMP. So that would include things like career development, academic advising, student life, academic success, but also things like emergency support. So that might come in the way of financial aid. It might come in the way of connecting STAMP students with our embedded CAPS counselor so that they have that support as well. So it's really a wide gamut of things that we can do to support students while they're here at STAMPS. I'd say our support structure really begins with how the curriculum is structured at STAMPS. It is so open, and we really do want to encourage exploration across different mediums, to have that experimentation, to bring the strong concepts to their students' work. And so experimentation can be scary, and we really want to help bolster up the students through their own creative practice. And so if we can help them feel confident in navigating the curriculum side of things, that really allows them to flourish as artists and designers. So that's when we think of the whole student, we want to push past just the academic and really dive into total well-being and have that at like the central core of how we think about student support.